Not bad, you know. I recently...
The home is, home?
Caca! Stan says... Octave, Ferrari, also bringing in the utmost, everyone. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back, Luna. Couple seconds for participation. And guys, let's fly. Let's do it. And let's go. Caca! Stan says, who are you talking to? Myself, Stan. 127X, you know. Big fan, you know. Sometimes you just got to talk to yourself. You know, you got to look at yourself and be like, who are you? Oh, what is that? You know, what am I looking at, bro? All right, come on, a bit more, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Look at that. Another one, baby. Another one. Hey, I'm feeling like DJ Khaled up in this one. Guys, let's go. Blue and red. Please give us 100. Please. Something good. Woo! Down 7, mama. Woo! Come on, be red. Will you can you be red, please? 28 blue, 350 red. Woo! Come on. I'm not gonna look. Woo! Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. That's money coming in, baby. 350 times what you placed. Let's go.
This is how I talk. Congratulations to winners on a 10. 3,227 winners. And the betting time now. Woo! Yes, it's so sweet, Chris. It's so sweet that others are imitating me. Aw, I don't like home. Oh, how come? Walk, why don't you like home? The home is, home should be the place where you always want to go, no? 15x home pachinko. Wow, Top really wants us to get the pachinko. I would also love to get it. Where's your bunny, Laura? Hi, Pyro. My bunny's at home waiting for me. What about you? Oh, come on. Are we ready, guys? Ah, pachinko, 15x. Woohoo! Yeah, this is what we've been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see my pachinko, the grand opening of the pachinko. Woo! Guys, I'm getting a rush. So 5x, 7, 10, 15. Remember, this is not what we're going for, yeah? 15 on top, also 2 doubles. Whoa. Wait, my math is not the best right now, so the max multiplier is a 375x, okay? So guys, this is the time, yeah? Wait, I'm coming back. Look. Maybe a double? Whoa, look at them numbers. Whoa, some 225x in this pachinko. You guys, thank you so much. I hope you also enjoyed. We got 5,263 winners.
Winner. All right, do you play Mobile Legends? I don't play any mobile games. I only play RuneScape or Pokemon Go on my phone. That's it. How's your second-hand computer? Hey, it's doing good, man. It's doing good. Still works. Still all right. Not bad, you know. I recently cleaned it from the dust a little bit. I opened it fully, you know, so. Bro, forget the spider. Give us some top slot. I mean, 20x crazy time sounds cool. Yeah, true. The spider was a few days ago on Christine's shift in a coin flip. She was freaking out. Crazy. 20 times crazy time, baby. Woo! Can I get a 2? Ancora Messi, go. 20 times, baby, let's go. Golazo! Ancora Messi, go. 20 times, crazy time, baby, let's go. All right. This is what I'm talking about. All right. I'm losing my voice, guys. All right. Maybe I should stop screaming.
I should stop screaming. All right, blue, green, yellow, everybody. 3 flappers, 20 times in the menu. Oh, boy. Ah, boy. All right. Forget the spider. Give us the crazy. I got you, bro. I got you. All right. 2000X. Max multi. 2000, guys. 2000X. Come on. Bring it to me, baby. Woo! All right. We will all be mad in a minute. Hey, in a couple seconds. Here it goes. Come on, maybe some doubles? I mean, are you really going to be mad about 1000X? Well, 300 for yellow, but 1000 for green and blue.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.